Hi guys, it's your girl Cam. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like any previous videos that I've posted. So this is a part 2 of me setting up my apartment with all of my pink things. I'm finishing up with my kitchen for the most part. I took everything out of the dishwasher. And then I'm going to get into my bathroom and I'll show you how everything looks. Right now I'm just doing the finishing touches on my pots and pans. I had to put the tops on after I washed them because they didn't come, with the little gripper top on. So I'm just finishing that up right now. Yeah, don't do me. I did not have a screwdriver, so I had to do what I had to do. And that was make it work, because that's what I do. Is this working? I don't know. No, it's not. Take 5 it. That's not right. As you can see, I'm just wrapping up the kitchen. I eventually went back and added pink liners as well. Took me a little break, Maxine hating. And then I'm about to drink some coffee, or I'm about to make me a coffee, so I can have a little boost of energy to finish up this apartment, y'all. Ugh. Tired. I just wanted to snap my finger and it be done already, but that's not how life be working. So yeah, I'm about to get this coffee in my system so I can knock out the rest of the stuff I need to do for my apartment. Yeah. Whoa, okay.
Praise the Lord till I lose my voice. Fail to plan and you lose by choice. I let go of the will and let him choose my course.
Alright, so here I'm just going to be filling all of my bathroom containers with all of my products, like my soap, my cotton swabs, and Q-tips, all that good stuff. Yeah, let's get into it. All right, guys, and that's a wrap for this video. This is how my bathroom is for the most part now, and how it came out after I got all my pink things in there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you, and until next time, bye.